What's the worst thing a nightmare roommate has ever done to you? When I was attending boarding school, my roommate was a 325-pound, 18-year-old girl. The day I met her, she told me it was mandatory to share my snacks with her. But when I said that I don't eat sugar because it causes me medical problems, she didn't believe me. She soon started going through my stuff when I wasn't in the room, trying to find a secret stash of snacks she could eat. About 4 months into living with her, I had to do a project in biology about plants. I asked my plant lover mom about the project, and she told me I should give it fertilizer. At the time, she made her own fertilizer, so she poured some into a bottle and put it in my bag. I returned back to the boarding school the next day, tossed the bag onto my bed and went to shower. I came back 15 minutes later, and when I did, I saw my roommate puking all over the floor, with the empty soda bottle from my bag beside her. Turns out she had raided my bag the moment I was out of the room. When she found the soda bottle, she tried to drink it, thinking it was ordinary soda. She was sent home shortly after this ordeal, because she started telling everyone I had tried to poison her. About a month later, I asked my mom what the ingredients of her fertilizer were, and she told me it was wet horse manure mixed with boiled, gem-free water. What's the worst thing a nightmare roommate